Good morning, student. Today I am again solving practical problem based on revaluation account, partner capital account and balance sheet. Today is 5th May 2020 and this is my lecture number 35. Chapter is retirement of a partner. Topic is distribution of profit and loss, general reserve, goodwill written off, and preparation of revaluation account, partner capital account and balance sheet. So see some illustration related to this topic. This is our question. X, Y and Z are partner. Profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. Their balance sheet stood as on 31st March 2019. Creditor 28,000. General reserve 9,000. Capital of partners are given 30,000, 26,000 and 15,000 respectively. Total capital is 71,000. Bank balance is also given. Debtors less provision. Stock, furniture and goodwill is given in question. On this date, Y retired on the following terms. First point is doubtful debt be increased by 3,000. Salary outstanding 4,000. Reduce creditor by 500. A debtor for 3,000 was retained off last year. He paid 2,000 in full settlement of his account on this date, but transaction has not been recorded in the books. Goodwill of the firm was 27,000. Prepare evaluation account, partner capital account and balance sheet of new firm. So this is our question and we have to prepare evaluation account. First, solving this problem, I have to prepare format. So this is our format and I will write revaluation account. DR side and CR side. Particular amount and this format is for partner capital account. So I will write partners capital account. Debit side and credit side. Partners are X, Y and Z. Particulars X, Y and Z partners. Now this is our balance sheet. Balance sheet of Y retired. So it will be for the X and Z. This is liability side. amount, assets and amount. Now I will put all the item related to the valuation account, partner capital account and balance sheet. First, in balance sheet liability side, general reserve is given 9,000 and it will divided into 3:2:1 in partner, and capital of partner also given 30,000, 26,000 and 15,000. So I will write in partner capital account by balance BD. Partner capital is given 30,000, X 26,000 for Y and 15,000 for Z. Now general reserve is also given. General reserve 9,000 and it will divided into 3:2:1. So amount will be 4,500, 3,000 and 1,500. Now in asset side, goodwill is also given 6,000. It will also write off and transfer into debit side of partner capital account. So goodwill write off, it will be 3,000, 2,000 and 1,000 respectively. Now question says, why is retirement doubtful debt be increased by 3,000? So it will shown in revaluation account debit side to provision for doubtful debt 3,000. Next, salary outstanding 4,000. So I will also write outstanding salary. It will create our liability and it will our loss 4,000. Now reduce creditor by 500. So it will be our income. It will transfer into credit side. Creditor 500. Now fourth point says, a debtor for 3,000 was written off last year. He paid 2,000 in full settlement of his account on the date, but transaction has not been recorded in the book. So I have to record, because this is known as bad debt recovered, because debtor written off bad debt but he paid 2,000 after return off, so it will known as bad debt recovered, and I will transfer into credit side because it is income. So bad debt recovered account will be 2,000 rupees. Now goodwill of the firm was valued 27,000 and Y share will be 2/6 of 27,000. So it will be 9,000 and 9,000 will shared by X and Z in their gaining ratio, and Y will take goodwill, so it will transfer into Z capital account, X capital account and Z capital account. It will be 6,000 750 and 2250 divided into 3:1 ratio, because when Z retire, remaining ratio will be 3:1. So now question says prepare evaluation account, partner capital account and balance sheet. I will also transfer Y's capital account into X and Z. So in debit side, Y's capital account 6,750 and 2,250. Now I will calculate balance of revaluation. Total in debit side will be 7,000 and in credit side it will be also 7,000. I will deduct credit side from debit side, so it will create loss of partner. So loss on revaluation will also transfer into X, Y and Z capital account. It will be 2250 15500 Total loss will be 4,500. Now loss will also transfer. Loss on revaluation, it will be 2250 1500 and 750. Now I will also balance the partner capital account in debit side and in credit side. Total of X capital account will be 34,500 and in Y capital account 38,000 and in Z capital account 16,000. In debit side also will be same 34,500, 38,000 and 16,000. Now I have to calculate the balance CD and Y's capital account will transfer into his loan account. So I will write Y's loan account because nothing is given. For paid the amount to Y and balance CD of X will be 22,500 and Y's loan account will be 34,500 and Z capital account balance will be 12,500. Now I will prepare balance sheet. Creditor will reduce by 500, so it will remain 27,500 because its question says it is 28,000. Now outstanding salary will also record in book. It is 4,000. Now Y's loan account will be 34,500 and capital account of X and X and Z will be 22,500 and 12,500. Now in asset side, bank will be 5,000 plus 2,000 because 2,000 cash is coming for bad debt recovered, so it will now 7,000. Debtor is given, balance is given 40,000 and minus, now provision will be 6,000 according to question, so it will remain 34,000. Now stock 40,000 and furniture 20,000 and nothing left, so total will be 1,01,000 in both side, assets and liability side. Now see the question once again more. You can take a screenshot for question and also the solution. This is your solution. You can take a screenshot of solution also and practice in your notebook. Now I am going to solve some other type problem. So see one more question. Question is based on sacrifice of continuing partner also. The balance sheet of P, Q and R, who were sharing profit in the ratio 3:2:1, was as under on 31st March 2019. Capital account of P, Q and R are given 5 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh respectively. Creditor 1,40,000 and reserve is given 60,000. Now in asset side, land and building, plant and machinery, stock, debtor and cash is given. Question says Q retired on this date on following term. First point is land was undervalued by 44,000 and plant and machinery was overvalued by 30,000. Provision for doubtful debt was required 8,000. Goodwill was valued 2,70,000 and was to be adjusted against. The capital of remaining partners P and R agreed to share profit in the ratio of 1:2. In this question, old ratio and new ratio both are given. Q was paid 32,000 in cash and balance amount was transferred into his loan account. So prepare evaluation account, partner capital account and balance sheet of new firm. Now I have to prepare format for this solution, and this is your revaluation account. Credit side and debit side. Now particulars P, Q and R partners capital account, particulars P, Q and R are partner credit side. Now this is your balance sheet. When Q retires, remaining partner will be P and R. So this balance sheet will be for P and R. Now I will be going through question. In liability side, reserve is given 60,000 and it will distributed 3:2:1 and PQR partner capitals 5, 3 and 2 lakh respectively. So in balance capital account, balance BD will be 5 lakh 5L due to space. I will add 5L means 5 lakh, 3L means 3 lakh and 2L means 2 lakh. General reserve is given 60,000. So it will distributed among partner 3:2:1, 30,000 and 20,000 and 10,000. Now land and building was undervalued by 44,000 and plant and machinery was overvalued by 30,000. So plant will be 30,000 and buy land and building will be 44,000. Now question says provision for doubtful debt required 8,000. So I will also write provision for doubtful debt 8,000 and I will calculate balance because nothing is given. Next, related to revaluation account, so it will be 44,000 and it will be profit on revaluation P, Q and R. Amount will be 6,000, 3,000, 2,000 and 1,000. Now reserve has been transferred and revaluation profit will also transfer 3,000, 2,000 and 1,000 respectively. Now our share of goodwill we have to also calculate amount of goodwill. So see new ratio old ratio is given 3:2:1 and new ratio is given 1:2. So P equal to 1/3 minus 3/6. It will be 1/6 minus, so it will sacrifice and R will be 2/3 minus 1/6. It will be 3/6 gain. Now Q equal to 2/6 gain. So Goodwill of the firm is given 2,70,000 is given. So our share of goodwill will be 2,70,000 into 3 by 6. It will be 1,35,000, and P share same will be 45,000, and Q share same will be 90,000. So in this question, Q and R both gain and P sacrifice only 1 by 6. So I will transfer goodwill into partner capital account. R capital account, goodwill 45,000 and 90,000, and in debit side also P's capital account and Q's capital account. It will be 45,000 and 90,000. Now I will write cash 32,000 given to Q, and when I will balance of PQR, it will be 5,78,000 and 4,12,000 respectively, 2,11,000, and it will also in debit side same. So I will calculate Q's loan account. It will be 3,80,000. Now now balance CD will be 5,78,000 and 76,000, and I will transfer all the amount in liability side also. Q's loan account 3,80,000 and creditor it will be 1,40,000, and capital it will be P and R 5,78,000 and R 76,000. Now in asset side, land will be 2,04,000, building will be 2,80,000, plant will be 3,50,000, and stock will be 1,80,000. Debtor remaining balance will be 1,52,000, and cash will be 8,000 only, and total will be 11,74,000 in both sides. Thank you. You can see the solution. And one is again question also. Thank you.